Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 25 November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Let's proceed. This was our previous three questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was Ashok Kumar appointed as Director General of Police of which state? Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh or option D Odisha? The correct answer here is Uttarakhand. So option A is correct here. Recently Ashok Kumar appointed as new DGP of Uttarakhand. Okay. Uttarakhand is in news. The capital of Uttarakhand is, there is two capital in Uttarakhand. Dehradun is the winter capital. Garsen is the summer capital. Trivendra Singh Rawat is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. And Baby Rani Maurya is the Governor of Uttarakhand. Our second question was, who has launched Har Ghar Jal Yojana? Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, Prakash Kumar or option D, none of this. The correct answer here is option B, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Har Ghar Nal Yojana for Sonbhadra and Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. It is launched for Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Uttar Pradesh is in news. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Anandiben Patel is the Governor of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when National Pharmacy Week observed in which month? October, November, December or option D, January? The correct answer here is, it is observed in November. So option B is correct here. The 59th National Pharmacy Week (NPW) was celebrated throughout the country from November 16 to 22 in 2020, and the theme of 2020 is Pharmacist Frontline Health Professional. Remember, the theme of 2020 is Pharmacist, the Frontline Health Professional. Okay, and the president of Indian Pharmaceuticals Association. Who is the president of Indian Pharmaceutical Association? Answer is T.V. Narayan. T.V. Narayanan is the president of Indian Pharmaceutical Association, and IPA is established in 1939. Okay. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who is hosted the 2020 APEC Summit? Malaysia, Brazil, India or option D, Myanmar? The correct answer here is Malaysia. So option A is correct here. The 2020 APEC, the Asia Pacific Economic Corporation, the abbreviation of APEC is Asia Pacific Economic Corporation. The economic leaders meeting was held under the chairmanship of Malaysian Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin. Okay, in the chairmanship of Malaysian Prime Minister. Next question. Question number 3. When India will host the summit of the group G20? 2021, 2022, 2023 or option D, 2024? The correct answer here is option C, 2023. India will host the summit of the G20 group in 2023. Now the G20 summit be hosted by, remember, in 2021 it is going to be hosted by Italy. In 2022 it is going to be hosted by Indonesia. Okay, and in 2023 our country India will host the G20 summit, and in 2024 Brazil will host the G20 group summit. Okay, this question is very much important, so remember it. Next question. Tarun Gogoi passed away. He was the former chief minister of which state? Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh or option D, Assam? The correct answer here is option D, Assam. The 3 times Assam's chief minister from the Congress party, Tarun Gogoi recently passed away. He was served as the chief minister between 2001 to 2015, from 2001 to 2015. Okay, and remember the longest serving chief minister of Assam name is Tarun Gogoi, and recently he was passed away. Assam is in news. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Chief Minister is Sarbanand Sonowal, and Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Okay, Tarun Gogoi, the longest serving chief minister of Assam. You can see here the image. Next question. Fifth India International Blossom Festival cancelled. Every year it is held in which state? Recently it is cancelled. Every year it is held in which state? Odisha, Meghalaya, Uttarakhand, or option D, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer here is Meghalaya. So option B is correct here. The fifth India International Cherry Blossom Festival has been cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Every year it is held in Shillong, Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. In Shillong, every year it is held, but this year it is cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. Next question. Who has launched international version of Umang app? Ravi Shankar Prasad, Narendra Modi, Prakash Javadekar, or option D, none of these. As per you see the image of Ravi Shankar Prasad, so option A is correct here, Ravi Shankar Prasad. Okay. Recently, Union Minister for the Electronics and IT, Ravi Shankar Prasad, has launched the Umang mobile application of international version. The abbreviation of Umang is, listen carefully, the abbreviation is Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance. Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has presented Doctor of Science Honorary Doctorate to ISRO Chairman K. Sivan? Narendra Modi, Vajubhai Wala, Uddhav Thackeray, or option D, none of this. The correct answer here is Karnataka's Governor Vajubhai Wala. Recently, the Karnataka's Governor Vajubhai Wala presented Doctor of Science Honorary Doctorate of ISRO Chairman K. Sivan, Indian Space Research Organization Chairman K. Sivan recently accepted this award from Vajubhai Wala, presented this award. Okay, you can see here the image. Next question. First cow hospital of Northeast is inaugurated in which state? First cow hospital of Northeast is inaugurated in which state? Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, or option D, Manipur. The correct answer here is Assam. So option B is correct here. A cow shelter in Assam's Dibrugarh. Remember the place Dibrugarh inaugurated in Northeast first ever cow hospital on the occasion of Gopashtami. It is launched in the occasion of Gopashtami. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. Who has imposed 6-month ban on Manta Urban Cooperative Bank? RBI, MHA, CCI, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Reserve Bank of India. Recently, Reserve Bank of India has banned the Manta Urban Cooperative Bank in Jalna district of Maharashtra. For 6 months for payment, money, and loan transition. Okay. RBI is in news. The headquarters of RBI is situated in Mumbai, and the governor is Shaktikant Das. The 25th number of governor of RBI, Shaktikant Das. Next question. Question number 10. When AAI, Airport Authority of India, observed Aviation Safety Awareness Week 2020, 20 to 27 November, 23 to 27 November, 25 to 30 November, or option D, none of these. Can you guess the answer here? The answer here is 23 November to 27 November. So option B is correct here. Airport Authority of India is observing the Aviation Safety Awareness Week 2020 from 23 November to 27 November. Okay. AAI, Airport Authority of India headquarters is situated in New Delhi, and it is established in 1st April 1995, 1995 it is established. And the chairman of AAI is Arvind Singh. Remember, Arvind Singh. Okay, I hope you got the static facts also now. Okay, as per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, who became the fourth nation to get IMO nod for navigation satellite system? Our second question is, who chaired the 15th G20 summit in 2020? Please try to answer in the comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for your competitive examination. Please try to answer in the comment section in a comprehensive way. Okay, it is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit educational wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.